Hello everybody, this is Oscar Zepeda, June 10th, 2011, Hidden Lake, Forest Preserve, Glen Ellen, Illinois. Yes, I'm just capturing this beauty, infinite divine haven that I am currently writing my morning pages. Well, should be calling it afternoon pages. I think it's about like 1 or 2 o'clock right now, and so I'm just so grateful and ever so appreciative for my incredible day. Just listen to those spectacular, beautiful sounds of the birds just singing. I'm in pure heaven right now. Thank you. I just wanted to share this moment with you. Yes, just listen. Just listen. I don't have to talk anymore. Just experience heaven on earth. This is absolutely heaven. Thank you, and thank you. Oh, you know what I love? I love bridges. You know, and there are some people probably most likely fishing. There's a lot of fishermen. Well, probably not the commercial fishermen, but the hobbyist fishermen. You know, it's all good. I love my life. I love my life. And look at that crane over there. You know, it's like I saw a particular crane flying up in the sky and diving inside the water to catch some fish. And so I think he's taking a break right now. So isn't that amazing? Oh yeah, he's probably catching some frogs right now. Maybe some tadpoles. Or some algae. You know, maybe he's a vegetarian and eating some grass or some vegetation. So, yes. Amazing. I love my life. I love my life. I love my incredible, supernatural, magical, miraculous life. What an amazing day. What a beautiful day it is. I love my life. Thank you for being a part of this momentous experience that I'm having right now. All is good. All is good. All is very, very good. Whether it be good in the moment or good later, after the fact, it is all good. Yes, I'm in pure heaven. Thank you for being a part of this experience. Thank you for being here. And so it is. Bye-bye.